Hello again. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about our session notes. This document that you will find in our Capstone folder is going to be full of every link that you need, directions for assignments, and I'm going to talk to you about before day one and then just some little information to pass along to you so that you're ready to go for our class when it starts Monday. So before day one, I have an overview video that you can listen to that kind of guides you through our syllabus, and I'm not going to open those links for you, but you can take a peek at those when you have a moment. It will just kind of walk you through the expectations overall for the course, and I do need you to set up a Google account if you have not already done so from the email that I sent. You will definitely have to have one for this course, as all of the assignments and the work that we will do communication together will be done through Google, because our Angel account that we have at SBU doesn't really work as easily as this does. So one thing that I want to direct your attention to is a roster that I've created for the course, and I am going to go ahead and open that to show you. I already have your names there, and if you would please just fill out the information across the top with your Google account, email address, a phone number for collaborative purposes should any of your colleagues in the class need your help throughout the course. And then I have places for you to put some assignment links throughout the course. All right, we'll go back to our session notes here. I would also like for you to add me to your Google Plus circle. If you've not worked with Google Plus before, I'm going to show you a few things, and please know that I am brand new at this myself. My colleague is in the room with me. If I steer you wrong, she's going to jump in and help me. But she has a a YouTube channel that I've given you a link to down here. And she has lots of helpful little videos on all things Google and lots of other things. So if you get lost along the way, maybe search there for any help, or try to get a hold of me and I'll do my best to walk us through it together. So if you would just a moment go with me here. This is my page, so you can see what I look like, and you can add me to your circle. And at this point, because it's me in my own, there's not a button to add, but sometimes you'll see a little red rectangle in this area that gives you an option to add people to your circle. That's just irrelevant at the moment, but that's okay. So that's how you would add me. Then I've set up a Google Plus community for us, so if you would follow that link, it will take you to a page like this, and this will be basically kind of a discussion board post where we will communicate with one another. I have at this point just a couple of people in the group. This is my colleague, All Things Google, and I will talk to you about that in just a moment. We're going to start up at the top, and we're going to, when you get to this page, you will actually have to ask to join the community. And so I'm not positive where that button would be. Probably it's an icon that you'll see pop up when you first come to this page. So you'll ask to join, and I will be notified because I have my notifications on, and I will click to let you in on this class. Then once you're a part of it, you'll be able to add posts to these discussion threads that I have. And I want to make sure that you understand that each of these have a little title on them, like this particular one is session 5, this one is session 7, this one is session 3. So make sure that you post the response to the correct session each time. And when you, where is it right here?
Yeah, they have to click on those to go there.
Oh, okay. Okay, so she was setting me straight. Right over here on this side of the screen, there are areas for you to click on if you have just general questions about the course, or if you want to comment where the entire class can see, the whole community. You'll click on this first one, and to take you to the individual threads that I have set up to add your own comments, you will click on these particular tabs over on the side. And as we work our way down, you'll see again the members in the class right now are just myself, and I had my colleague help me to learn how to do this, so she's in the class as well. But I want to show you, if you will click on the pictures that are there, you we'll see that her page will pop up, and at this point I would click here to add her as a friend in my circle. It would say right there, add to circles, and I would put her in a friend, and you can create a new circle and actually title it Capstone or whatever you would like to call it, so that you know that we're all in that circle together. And she should be there. So I just will go back to my session notes and let you know very quickly that we have a Capstone folder where everything is housed for this course. And you will see that there are folders for the different sessions. Session 1, there's assignments for you to do each session. There's a survey for you to take. There's test questions. Yes, you get those test questions in advance. Isn't that great? And so that should be everything that you need. The folders over here will have all of your lectures from the classes and notes. Any notes that were shared by those professors will be in those folders for you. And you should have access to everything. If there is anything tricky that doesn't open the right way for you, just send me a quick message, and it's probably on my end a little sharing issue. But hopefully we got all the kinks worked out and everything should be good to go. When you do actually click on any of those links, when you go back to that Capstone folder, if it shows up for you the way that it did when I pulled it up, you may need to just click right here on this blue button where it says Open in Drive, and then that will open it up in where you can see everything all at once. So on this screen you will see all of the folders for the sessions, and you will see our little intro presentation that I did for you, the Capstone videos, and our roster, session notes, and syllabus. So in this screen you'll see everything. The reason that you do not see session 2, 4, 6, or 8 is because those basically just have a survey and a test that are housed within each of those folders. All right, the last few little things here. Please remember to share anything that you do with me in my Gmail account, which is drjuliebryant@gmail.com. And please make sure that when you do so, you give me commenting rights so that I may be able to make comments on any of your assignments. And again, if you have any questions about Google and working through this process, again, that little link right here will take you to Mrs. Fox's channel on YouTube for all of her good technology things that she's posted. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me or give me a call. And I wish us all the best of luck. Thanks for being patient with me as we learn together.